Composition stands for collaborative manufacturing.
I would say that the big thing there is to connect different stakeholders or factories in this case to give them a common marketplace.
The main mission of Composition is for us to bring together academic and industry partners looking at inter and intra-factory use cases, seeing how we can improve energy and resource efficiency in our factories.
Composition helps to move towards what's next.
Composition is separated into two parts, which are intra-factory and inter-factory.
Intra-factory means that we bring together information from different sources and different departments into one collaborative manufacturing workspace.
In inter-factory, we try to mainly optimize the process of collaboration between industrial manufacturing enterprises.
The use cases define the requirements for our technology developments. We are not technology driven, we are use case driven.
The advantages that we found by entering the Composition project relate with the fact that in this project we are having use cases that will help us increase the efficiency of our manufacturing and our productivity and our quality.
Supply chain management through Composition can help better organize our suppliers will to participate in the bidding process.
What we're expecting to get out of this project is the opportunity to service our customers at a higher level and get a competitive edge over our competitors.